नमस्कार। मिस्टिक भारत गाथा लेकर आ रहा है एक खास एपिसोड जिसमें जुड़ रहे हैं प्रेरणादायक हस्ती अंशुल शर्मा, टेड एक्स स्पीकर, कॉरपोरेट लीडर, महिला सशक्तिकरण की समर्थक और राष्ट्रीय स्तर की जूडो खिलाड़ी। इस पॉडकास्ट में जानिए कैसे उन्होंने 10,000 प्लस युवाओं के करियर को निखारा और क्यों उनका मंत्र रीडिजाइनिंग, रीइन्वेंट, रीवर्क आपके जीवन को बदल सकता है। देखना न भूले मिस्टिक भारत गाथा का यह खास एपिसोड यूट्यूब और सभी पॉडकास्ट प्लेटफॉर्म्स पर उपलब्ध।
Now, coming to this, I have always understood one thing, that the difference between people's thinking in India and China. I would like to bring it here specifically because you choose marketing. Correct. Now, people in China, from birth, they are taught how to market. What is marketing, right? And here, people feel, oh, marketing, no. So, what is your suggestion to the youngsters that how important it is important to learn marketing, because whatever field they go, marketing is must. So, what is your advice for that?
Okay. So one thing I will say, see, normally we think that if someone is getting into some targets, that is only marketing. So this is completely a wrong notion.
Right.
First of all, by birth, I'm telling you, by birth, every one of us is a marketeer.
True.
Because we start negotiating from day one.
Yes.
A child, if he doesn't get any toy, if he doesn't get food, he will start crying. So he's negotiating with the mother.
Correct.
You get me this, otherwise I'll cry.
Correct.
Same thing applies, like when we are young, we are in school, colleges, we negotiate with our teachers.
True.
You give us some more time to submit our projects, to submit our assignments.
Right.
So every day, every moment, we are doing some kind of the marketing.
True.
But when it comes as a profession, we fear because somewhere we relate it to only targets.
Correct. Very true.
And that is what gives us a kind of in-confidence, I would say. Maybe if I would not be able to attain those targets, what will happen?
True.
So we need to understand that this is something we are doing day in, day out. It's just that we are not adopting it as a profession.
Very true.
So marketing is one of the most beautiful profile, I would say.
Agree. I definitely agree.
Because that is what gives you the maximum exposure.
True.
Plus, it also gets your organization into revenue mode, wherein you are able to contribute to the largest.
Correct.
So I would suggest, yes, for me, marketing is a beautiful domain and one should look forward for it.